Good evening, my name is Fabiano Soares.
And I'm Fernando Maciel.
We are going to introduce our PCC. We chosen a simple class to introduce your children to new words and questions. This class is directed to public school children. In this class will be taught some means of transportation and some colors. The lesson is going to take 4 classes of 45 minutes each. It will be developed for skills, speaking, listening, writing and reading.
I'm going to explain the first 2 classes. Class 1. This class has as objective to teach the students some means of transportation: car, truck, bicycle, ship, airplane, motorcycle. In this class, the student will be taught how to pronounce the new words, practicing the listening, writing new words and reading them. We're going to use some materials: colored cartoons, uncolored cartoons, cards and voice recorder. The procedure we're going to adopt. In this first class, we'll introduce the new words to students, speaking the new words and asking them to repeat. After teaching the new words, it will be shown some cartoons or pictures with means of transportation images, helping them to link the image to the word. After that, it will be asked to copy the way it will be written, the name of the means of transportation. Last part of the class, it will be recorded, the student speaking the new words, and after that we will show them how they had spoken the words, making some correction if it's necessary or not. The activity we're going to adopt, it will be given to them some cartoons, flashcards to be colored. Class number 2. The objective of the class is teaching some colors: white, blue, red, yellow, black and brown. In this class we are going to teach the student how to pronounce the word and practicing some listening. We're going to adopt some materials: colored cartoons, uncolored cartoons, cards and voice recorder. The procedure we're going to adopt for this class, it's almost the same from the first one. We're going to introduce the new word, asking them to repeat the new word. After teaching the new word, we're going to show the student some colored cards, helping them to link the color to the word. And after that, we're going to record they speaking the word and show them how they spoken the word and making some correction if it's necessary. The activity we're going to do, it will be given some cartoons to be colored with the color asked.
I'm going to introduce you to class number 3. The objectives of this class are, it will be mixed means of transportation and colors, using colored cartoons. The students will be taught how to ask which, for example, which color is the truck? The materials are colored cartoons, uncolored cartoons, cards and voice recorder. The procedures are, in the first part of the class, it will be shown to the students some cards with some means of transportation, uncolored, and after that, show cards with the same means of transportation painted. After showing the cards, it will be taught how to ask. Which color is the card? The activity is, each student will have to write a question, asking about the color of each means of transportation. The class number 4, we are going to do something different. And the objectives are, after teaching the expression, it will be worked just with games to help students to memorize new words and expressions. The materials we adopted are colored cartoons, uncolored cartoons, cards and voice recorder. The procedures are, it will be given to students some cartoons to be colored with the same color that will be written on the board. After that, it will be played looking and asking. it will be put some colored means of transportation, uncolored on the board, and asking to the students to find them on the board. Who finds more will be the winner.
This is some flashcards we're going to use in our classes. This is the theory you use it to embase or paper or PCC. We chose a Modelo Monitor. We found this explanation in Mayusa's book. We used it in last semester.
After this class, the student will be able to recognize some means of transportation and colors, and they are able to read and ask which color something is.
Here there's some reference. We use it to embase to our PCC.
This is our first PCC project, and we promise in the next semester
It will be
better.
improved
Will be better than
this semester.
this semester.
We hope so, at least. Thank you.
So thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
E corta.